So, in my 2 month internship program with Unified Mentor, I worked on three projects. The first project was the basic calculator made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The app is capable of doing arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and also with decimal numbers. I also correctly handled the errors like with division with 0. The second project was the personal portfolio website made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I learned how to make the pages responsive and the UI to look impressive for the users. The third one was the weather app made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So I learned how to fetch data from an unknown API and perform write down it in my code. So I also learned how to handle errors like invalid data request or wrong address. So the overall learning of all the three projects helped me as a developer to grow better, and it also helped me to write clean code and in my problem solving abilities. Thank you.